So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog I'll be talking about what are the maintenance tips that you have to follow if you want to keep your bike safe while in lockdown. And considering the lockdown, I hope everybody is safe and sound and are at home and maintaining the physical distancing. So let's start the review. So first and foremost thing, as always, make sure that you do a proper maintenance of your bike, which means that you need to clean it and make sure you do a water wash. So that will ensure that if there's any dust or any mud or is there on the especially on the disc, not getting accumulated or maybe this getting rusted is. And also ensure that you are doing a periodic oil cleaning as well for the chain. So that also is an important thing. There are two things that you need to buy. One is a chain cleaner and the other one is an oil lube for the chain. Also ensure to clean your shock absorbers, especially over here in the oil seals. Here is where you get to see that the dust or slush is getting accumulated, so clean that properly. And also your mono suspension, make sure that you are cleaning it thoroughly. Important thing that you need to look for is once when you turn on your ignition, all the telltale signs should lit up, and on the dashboard as well as on the tank. So this shows that we have the oil indicator, the battery indicator, side stand, ABS. And so apart from the ABS light, all the other indicators should go off once when you turn on the bike. So the ABS is not switchable, so hence it will stay on. The other important thing is check for all your electricals, especially your indicators, your headlights, that all are in function, because that is an important thing, that you are not showing any signs that the battery is getting depleted. So for this, as I mentioned earlier, make sure that you are at least taking out your bike for at least 2 to 3 days and then turning it on for 5 to 10 minutes. That is recommended, especially when you are in a lockdown. So other thing that you need to maintain is to ensure that your oil or the coolant components are maintained and are at the recommended levels. So this is the coolant. Just make sure that you are at the correct level. Oil also is in the right level. You need to make sure that you're at least putting your Dominar in almost a center position and then checking for your oil measurement. So that is an important thing. The other thing that you need to look for, and before I move forward, so this is a small scratch that I got. That was due to a night ride and I was at a good speed. So this is the video. So yeah, so that's how it happened. Before that, whenever you're starting your bike after a lockdown, just make sure you idle it, start it, and don't raise it or don't rev the bike. Just keep it idle for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It will ensure that your battery is also charged and also ensures that you are not revving the engine as much as possible. Also important that you need to buy a nice cover so that you protect your investment. So the final thing that I want to talk about is on the tires, and you need to make sure that you are not parking your bike at the same place for at least 2 to 3 days. You need to keep moving your wheel or your tires every 2 to 3 days, because you might end up getting a flat spot. So this is what I meant by flat spot. So this is also dangerous for the tire, and you end up ruining the tire. So these are the tips and tricks. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. And this is Kevin signing off. Please do subscribe to my channel and you get to see what all I do for you guys. So I hope everybody is safe and sound, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.